Hi, this is Nico. This video is to demonstrate how Sara, our OpenClaw main agent, is redesigning our whole website, and then I'll show you some other little tricks. So she started from scratch with this, and I gave her access to the old website so she can combine the two.
Got it. I saved your LinkedIn URL for future reference, https://www.linkedin.com in NTI.
And so,
Yep. Add this directly under 40 years of experience.
I told her to make some modifications to the heading, because the 40 years of experience for us is not just AI, it's IT, and also to state that NTI Blockchain Inc. is actually the parent company. And I gave her some other modifications I wanted her to do.
NTI Blockchain Inc. is the parent company of AI Agents, LLC, which was established in 1987 in Los Angeles, CA. And if front desk service isn't visible, it's probably not in the current profile section you're editing, or LinkedIn may be truncating not to reordering that area. If you want, I can help you rewrite that whole intro block so it reads cleaner and stronger on LinkedIn. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to actually ask her for a list. So basically I use Telegram mostly on my phone, but I can use it on my desktop to communicate with her. So I'm going to ask her what sub-agents we have already created, because she can spawn sub-agents. So let me say something. Hey, could you list all the sub-agents we have in OpenClaw? So she has complete access to the Mac Mini, all the files, the folders. So that's strange, she's not showing the sub-agents. What about Ruben, who does the job searches? So she's actually looking at the config file on OpenClaw, actually not the, config file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask her to create a new customer service sub-agent. Hey Sarah, I want you to create a new sub-agent called David, who's going to be customer support. His job is to respond to website inquiries, and we have to train him on some of the company documentation, so that'll be his markdown file. So she said she's going to set it up. Let's see if she actually does that. I did an upgrade today, and also I had some issues with ChatGPT and the codex model, the 5.4 codex. So it's been a lot of changes today, but I can see at the top that she is typing, so that means I can expect that either she's doing the work or she'll respond soon with what she's accomplished. And then obviously I have to verify that she did that work. So we've made a lot of changes the last 2 days with training and creating subtasks for some of the agents, and trying to alleviate the amount of work that she does compared to the other subject agents. Oh, look at that. So I know I have to restart the OpenClaw instance.
I'll set up a new agent definition for David in the workspace. Give him a customer support markdown brief, and then I'll tell you what remains to expose him as a runnable sub-agent in OpenClaw. Done. I created David as a new customer support sub-agent and gave him a markdown knowledge file for training. Created. Workspace agents David.yaml Workspace agents David.md. What David is for: respond to website inquiries, explain services clearly, handle front desk, their workflow, automation questions, push qualified prospects toward a call or next step, escalate billing, legal, security, and custom commitment issues. I also added David to your OpenClaw agent list in openclaw.json, and I committed the workspace files 360UF703F. Add David customer support agent brief. Important: the agent brief and markdown are done. The config entry is added, but OpenClaw may need a gateway restart before David shows up as available. Run bash OpenClaw gateway restart.
Okay, so that's the housekeeping I have to do. Is she's added the new sub-agent, told him what he's meant to do. There'll be some additional training, but I will do that verbally with her. I'll give her some documents to update his memory file. So that's how this thing works. This is what we do every day. Well, thank you for watching, and talk to you soon.